is strawberry mask, which is especially an amazing mask for the acne prone skin. And as you can see, this is my no makeup look, and I am having few breakouts that I discussed in my earlier videos as well. But now most of the breakouts are gone, but still I am having some post acne blemishes. So this mask is a super effective for fighting off even the occasional acne breakouts and even the existing ones, and you can fight off the blemishes and the uneven skin after the breakouts as well. So there is this mask. This is strawberry mask that is going to make your skin radiant, blemishes free, one tone. You need one strawberry, obvio. Take out the leaf part, and what you need to do is just with the fork mash it. I'm using the strawberry in this mask especially because strawberry is really high in salicylic acid, in naturally occurring salicylic acid, which is an acne fighter, as we all know. And the antioxidants in the strawberry clears out your pores really well, and it fights off the existing acne breakouts on your skin. Plus the strawberries are high in vitamin C, that is going to give you a brighter skin, and that is going to make your skin one tone. After mashing the strawberries, I am going to add few drops of lemon, because it's just for the face and neck. You just need half a teaspoon of honey. Again, honey is going to work as antibacterial. And then I am going to add, and after honey, I am just giving it an extra kick to fight off the acne or the whiteheads or the blackheads. So I am adding 3 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is just my all-time favorite these days. What we have in the mask is, we have mashed strawberries, we have 3 drops of tea tree oil, we have half teaspoon of honey, and a few drops of lemon. That's it. So now just apply this. The smell is so good. Don't forget your neck. So I washed the mask off after 30 minutes, and maybe not in the camera it's not noticeable, but it gives you the instant shine on your skin as well. But after 5-6 applications, you would notice really a big difference in your blemishes or in your acne. And I suggest you to use this mask for twice a week, and then you would feel a beautiful radiance in your skin. After 2-3 weeks, you would find a big difference in your skin texture, in your blemishes, in your acne, that it's gonna reduce all these issues with your skin, and it's gonna give your skin a really one-tone look. If you like my video, and for more such home remedies, beauty tips, and other DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and ciao till the next video.